Greetings, students. So you finished your keywords and concepts for chapter 4, so now we can get into the fun bits, right? So for this week, we're actually going to learn a little bit more about the science of hypnosis. So I found this amazing BBC documentary from 2006, 2007, somewhere in there. So I apologize for the audio or the video quality from 2006. But it's a great documentary that really takes a very skeptical view of hypnosis. And that is exactly what I wanted, and it's exactly what I want for you guys. So, as we're watching this documentary, I really want you guys to be wearing your skeptic hat, right? This is something you should get very used to doing in psychology class. I always want you questioning anything I present to you, anything anybody presents to you for that matter. You should definitely be questioning. So, when we're wearing our skeptic hat, as we're watching this hypnosis documentary, do you buy it? Are these people trying to sell you something? Do they have an interest in you believing that hypnosis is real? Do they not have an interest in you believing that hypnosis is real? Where does the truth lie, right? This is so much of what we do in psychology, is trying to discern what is actual science, what is actually how our minds work, and what's a scam? What's humans just trying to take advantage of each other? So as we're watching, a couple of things. This is a BBC documentary, so it's British. There's that old saying that the British and the American are two people separated by a common language, right? So just some things. They talk a bit about the NHS in the documentary. The NHS is their national health system in Britain. They have universal health care, so everybody's on the same health insurance over there, and that's their national health insurance. So when they're referring to the NHS, that's what they mean. They also use a word that here in the States is a slur for gay folks, but in Britain is simply shorthand for a cigarette. I'm not going to say it because YouTube's algorithms will kick me off, but you'll be able to figure out what it is. They're not calling the cigarettes a slur for gay people. That's just what it is over there. So just heads up on that. So keep that in mind. And then one other thing, in the second half of the documentary, towards the end, you do go to the dentist with somebody, and you do witness their teeth being pulled. So if that is something that is going to freak you out, maybe avert your eyes during that scene, kind of fast forward a little bit. She'll talk about it more afterwards, so you don't necessarily have to watch it. If it really freaks you out, go ahead and just fast forward through that. I don't want to traumatize anybody. But keep your skeptic hat on. I want you thinking whether or not you buy this, okay? And we're going to have a whole chat about it down in the discussion board afterwards. So I will see you guys there.